Good afternoon. I'm Anna Lunts, Chief Executive of Creative Support. Our fantastic staff have worked so hard in the last 6 weeks to keep our services going, and I remain so grateful to them for their commitment to preventing the spread of coronavirus in our services. I'm pleased to report to you that the number of service users and staff across Creative Support with symptoms or a diagnosis of COVID-19 has fallen again, and this makes us very hopeful. We are also delighted to welcome back to work a number of our staff from sick leave, and we are so pleased that they have made a full recovery. I have written to all our staff to thank them personally for their compassion and dedication. Last week, we noted the increased availability of COVID-19 testing for staff and service users. Since then, we have welcomed the further announcement that testing is also being made available for non-symptomatic staff and service users in care homes. However, we are finding the availability of such tests remains patchy, and this needs to improve further. Sadly, there's been a significant increase in the number of people dying in care homes and residents of care homes who have died of COVID-19 whilst in hospital. As a society, we need to do everything possible to protect vulnerable people from contracting coronavirus going forward. We urge the government to consider relaxing the lockdown carefully and slowly, and to communicate the need for continued social distancing measures in a clear and robust manner. We know that there will be further outbreaks of infection. As well as widespread testing, we need a vigorous national system of tracking and tracing the transmission of the virus. We urge all our staff to be vigilant, carry on frequently washing your hands for at least 20 seconds, keep cleaning touch points and hard surfaces, wear the right PPE. If you get symptoms consistent with COVID-19, report this immediately to us. Don't go into work, stay at home. Arrange testing the same day or as soon as possible. Go to a testing centre if you can, or order a home testing kit. We can help you to access this if you experience any difficulties. Together, we can protect you, your families, and our vulnerable service users. My colleague Abbie DuttonGuiver will now tell you more about our Coronavirus Hardship Fund. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Abbie DuttonGuiver, and I've been working with the Hardship Fund here at head office. We understand that these are particularly worrying times, especially for those concerned with their finances. We recognise that some of our staff and service users may experience exceptional and particular hardship as a result of coronavirus, so at the end of March we set up our Hardship Fund with an initial £10,000. We've decided to raise this to £15,000 and extend our deadline until the 15th of May in order to support more people. Over £11,000 has already been allocated in discretionary grants, and we have provided financial support to over 50 people in these unprecedented times. Those supported included one support worker who said, "Thank you for accepting my request. This will ease what has been a very worrying few weeks. I understand that as a company it is difficult to maintain the well-being of both staff and service users. The grant will help greatly with my financial situation." We are proud as an organisation that we've been able to set up this fund, but due to the large volume of applications, we are having to prioritise those that are facing significant hardship or at crisis point as a result of coronavirus. Many of our applicants have been supported by other departments such as HR, bank or payroll, and we've been able to set up an information pack with links to resources for further support, which has been sent to our unsuccessful grant applicants. Details about the criteria and application form can be found on our news and blog section on the website and in the staff area. Along with the Hardship Fund, we have announced 10 of our exceptional staff awards from over 150 nominations, and we have sent out 20 prizes from our random staff draw. We hope that this goes some way to showing how much we value and appreciate all of our staff and service users, especially in these challenging times. Thank you.